Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to draw a T-Rex, so get your art supplies ready. All you need is some paper and a pencil, but if you have markers, crayons, or colored pencils, those will work great too. If you need more time, be sure to click pause and rewind so you can watch it again. Remember to stay until the end for a special riddle. Now, let's draw.
Hey everyone, today we're going to be drawing T-Rex. He's one of my favorite dinosaurs, so I'm really excited to be drawing him. To start off, we're going to do a letter C, a big letter C, and that's going to form his snout. And we're going to make his eye, which is really just kind of a rainbow shape, a small rainbow shape. And we're going to continue that and make his neck and back, almost like drawing a reverse letter J. There you go. Now for the front, we're going to do his belly, and we need to go a little wider. So draw a nice big belly on him and go towards the tail. There we are. We can just connect that real easy. Don't be afraid to use an eraser. It's totally okay. Alright, now we're going to work on his arms. For the first arm, it's really easy. It's just the letter W, kind of on its side. And then the next one is a little trickier. We do 2 lines, and then we do the letter W to connect those 2 lines. There you go. He's looking great already with his legs. We're going to do 2 lines. The first one's a little squiggly, a little bit squiggly. The second one, for his back foot, isn't as squiggly. It's a little more straight. We're going to go ahead and connect those and then draw the other foot. This one's not so squiggly, and it just goes pretty much straight up and down. There you have it. 2 legs. Don't be afraid to erase. I'm going to go ahead and erase this so it looks a little better, and you can do the same, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, now let's do his toes. His toes are really just the letter M. 1, 2. There you have it. 1, 2. He has toes now. Okay, let's work on his eye. Just a nice oval shape. And then we'll color in the iris. Give that a nice little color shade. There you go. He's looking much better now. Let's give him a smile. A nice big smile. And a nose. Just a nice circle for the nose. Okay, now we're going to add some teeth. These are just triangles coming off of his smile. But it really makes him look like a T-Rex. We're going to repeat this as well for his back and just add some decorations, some coloring. And again, they're just little triangles. They kind of look like potato chips or tortilla chips, just on his back. Triangles. And we're going to do that all the way to his tail. If at any point I'm going too fast for you, you can always pause and then rewind. Okay, there we are. Done. Now, let's focus on adding a little shadow to his belly. This will look really good in just a minute when we start coloring him in. But we'll make that shadow go all the way back, almost to the end of the tail. There you go. That makes him look a little more 3-dimensional. Okay, this is where the fun really begins, and we'll start going the outline. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. And I'm going to use a black pen. I'm going to do the outline for all these little facial features. Then I'll go ahead and finish up with his teeth. I'm gonna switch out to using a green pen. And now let's add an accent color. A little bit of a violet purple color. We'll just color that in. That looks great. It's something a little different than the green. And now I'm gonna work on his belly. I'm gonna actually use some crayons here. I told you that his belly would get like a nice little shadow on there, and this is where that happens. You can see that shadow really coming along. And finally, I'm going to use a dark green color to fill him in. There he is. He's looking really good. I'll just do some details on his toes. And I think we're done. We're looking great. And now, let's pass it back to Remi. I think he has another riddle for you.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the drawing today. Be sure to share your T-Rex and show it to your friends. If you liked the video today and want to see more like it, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see more. As promised, here's the riddle of the day. What is full of holes but can still hold a lot of water? Be sure to check out our website for the answer. There'll be a link below. See you next time!